Trending stocks. We have Nvidia, Netflix, RZLV, OPEN, and MARA. We'll begin with Nvidia, down 0.99%. The Financial Times reported that China has directed domestic technology firms to stop buying Nvidia's AI chips. The move adds to ongoing geopolitical tensions around advanced semiconductor access, raising concerns about the potential impact on Nvidia's largest international market. Committee members are debating whether the pullback represents a buying opportunity or a sign of deeper headwinds, with some pointing to the company's leadership in AI hardware as a longer term bullish anchor despite near term risks. Okay, so extrapolation on this 4 hour chart is saying that lower prices may remain in place up till midday of Friday the 19th. After that, we might get a bounce. No guarantee that that will be the case, but there's a good chance that by the end of today's trading session, some weakness may still remain. Yeah. Okay. Projections are saying $18.09, 192.65, 196.09. Price pressure momentum. Let's see what we have. Everything okay. Well, okay. There's weakness here. However, there is an indication that the selling pressure may be decelerating, yeah, maybe decreasing. Yeah, so the positions opened, yeah, over the last 40 hours are not looking that good as things stand right now. Yeah, and indeed the ones opened over the last 84 hours. So a lot has gone wrong. A lot has gone wrong as things stand right now. We can apply the market grid to give us an indication of the sort of range we should expect the stock to trade within in the very short term. We have let's see, current price is 173.13. Okay, we have it can there's a potential for it to trade all the way down to 170.92, and I'll also retest 174.58. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's going on with Netflix. Netflix is up 1.17%. The stock is trending as investors weigh multiple catalysts. Speculation is growing around potential bids for Warner Bros., with some traders discussing the likelihood of a bidding war if Netflix enters the fray. Okay, let's see. We could have a look at the. Okay, well, here it's saying it might consolidate or contract some of this expansion that's been in place since the close of yesterday's trading session. Yeah, it might contract it, and then that is up till okay. It's saying that it's going to remain in place up till for today's trading session. And then maybe from tomorrow's pre-market session, and then it might resume the uptrend. So it's just saying that it's going to it might, yeah, just might continue to cycle to the upside. Yeah, yeah. If not contracting this expansion, yeah, with a bullish bias. Okay, let's see price pressure momentum. The 10 period moving average is robust in a strong trend mode. However, the derivatives are negative, indicating that it's not out of the woods yet. Yeah, it's not out of the woods yet. and that this acceleration, the pressure, the buying pressure is facing really a lot of resistance. Yeah, a lot of selling is occurring. It's been occurring. So the strength it has picked up of late is mixed up with it's coming with a lot of a decent amount of selling pressure. Yes, and it hasn't affected the 21 period moving average positively. So still very much bearish on the 21 period moving average on this 4 hour chart. Let's quickly apply the market grid for Netflix and see. The price is current price is 121650. So it's in resistance zone. So it may well continue to print higher prices. Yeah, it may well continue to do so. Yeah, this is against this is against the extrapolation that is saying that it may contract expansion. We'll just see how it's going to pan out. Okay, the next is RZLV. RZLV down 4.63%. The stock is drawing attention following a wave of positive analyst ratings and growing excitement around its potential in AI driven retail technology. The appointment of a former Microsoft executive has further boosted sentiment with some investors comparing the company's trajectory to Palantir's early days. Traders are also discussing the potential for a short squeeze ahead of earnings on the 1st of October, where strong results could validate bullish expectations. While long-term optimism dominates discussion, some community members caution that the recent run-up may lead to near-term volatility. Okay, yeah. On yesterday printed an intraday high of $8.86. Let's see. Yeah, it's contracting some of that expansion and okay, a contraction is expected to kick in from Tuesday, the close up to of tomorrow's trading session. Not maybe some strength might kick in this session, maybe or maybe not. It doesn't look like maybe much might happen in this session. It may just be a case. It may be a case of just consolidating this um, at this sort of level where it is at right now. Maybe consolidating at this $7 level. Okay, let's see what the price pressure momentum is indicating. Yeah, still robustly bullish, indicating that the some of the open positions, so positions opened from 40 hours ago and beyond, are still supporting the whole structure. Yeah, and that is also the case with the 21 period moving average. Yeah, positions opened from 41 hours ago and later and earlier are still holding the structure on the stock. Okay, let's see what's going on with OPEN. OPEN is up modestly 0.56%. Let's see what we have here. Martin Shkreli revealed a short position in the stock and has sparked a retail-driven rally against him. Traders are framing the situation as a potential short squeeze setup with bullish momentum supported by the company's new CEO plans for nationwide expansion and hopes that upcoming interest rate decisions could ease pressure on the housing market. Yeah, the stock is expected to keep bouncing or keep the strength it has started to pick up up till the close of Friday's trading session. May even attempt to test its all-time high of it's is this an uptime on an all-time high? Okay, well, it's the highs of 10.47. It's something that may happen by Friday the 19th. Then after that we may have a contraction. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 8.15, 8.57, 9.23, 10.02, 10.77. What's the probability of it retesting? Let's see, the retest probability of it retesting 10.15. If you look over here, you see these are the moving averages. If the moving average is less than the target, then we know that it has a less than 50% probability of retesting of printing that. So we can see now our target is 10.15. The moving averages are not close. So on that first attempt, it's less than 50%. On the second attempt is also less than 50%. On the third attempt is also less than 50%, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, Mara stock is let's see what it has done. Mara stock is down 1.14%. Intraday high in this session 17.70. The stock remains a hot topic as traders assess its highly leveraged exposure to Bitcoin's price. The community is split with some highlighting insider selling and dilution as bearish red flags, while others see opportunity in the company's Bitcoin reserves and its positioning for future growth in the crypto sector. Growing chatter around institutional involvement and potential AI integration into mining operations is also fueling speculation. Overall, sentiment is mixed, with Mara viewed as both a high risk and high reward stock tied closely to Bitcoin's trajectory. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, yeah, it's expected to bounce in this session and then continue to cycle to the upside. Okay, going all the way towards Friday the 26th of September. Projections are saying 17.61, 18.38, 18.86. Price pressure momentum, let's see what we have. It should be positive. Yeah, everything is positive. There's a good chance it may be trading outside of its market grid. We can have a look now. Yeah, it is not trading outside. It's within the market grid, and current price is 17.31. So it's between the resistance and the supports. Yeah, it may well continue to test some lower prices. 7.15, something that can happen, even as low as 16.95. Yeah, especially the fact that it's in between the resistance and the supports. Yeah, it's the probability of it tending towards or tending into the support zones is slightly more likely. Yeah, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.